Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're gonna review the INNOVV K6 Dashcam camera system, which is designed for motorcycles or a bicycle. It comes really nice packaged. The material feels really solid and really nice. Looks and feels very durable. By far, using this camera, I'm very satisfied using it for its purpose. The package includes everything you need for the setup and installation for this camera, and far beyond that. I would say you have way too many things than you actually need, so they leave your room for customization and creativity. It comes with a manual which you have everything you need to know about this camera, all the specifications, all the installation guide, and how to use the app and everything. Through this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to install this camera and how to use it. Also, you get really nice stickers. Now, the most important thing is this converter, which converts the 2020 volt to 12 volt, which is a standard use in all the batteries. Don't forget to put the red to the plus and black to the minus. You have some attachments, like a lot of attachments. It comes with the best of the best materials. It has the 3M glue, which is the best thing if you want to hold two things together. You have the standard action camera equipment, which is very solid, and trust me, I tested it and I went to really high pressures and speeds and it holds really well. Now the installation. So you put the camera inside the GoPro thingy, make sure to screw it really good. You put the 3M on the holder and you put the camera inside the holder. You hide all the cables inside your bike. It's up to you how you put it and where you put it. You know your bike the best, so I'm sure you come up with something. Basically, all the cable come all the way from the front camera to the back camera and then to the adapter which connects to the battery. And again, you should screw it really well. At the end, you connect the minus to the minus and plus to the plus, and you're ready. You align your camera visually, but you can take extra measures to make it really perfect. Now, by far, I'm really satisfied with this camera. It records really well. It holds really high pressures. I've already go above 300 kilometers per hour on the German Autobahn, of course, and it holds really well. Now, you should not compare this camera with any other action camera or cinematic camera, because it's not its purpose. The purpose of this camera is to be a dash camera. It will record no matter what and no matter how long. With a lot of years of experience using action cameras, I can assure you that if there is a reason why your camera will stop recording, it's because the battery ran out, not because you're out of storage. K6 is connected to the motorcycle battery, so it can run basically infinite in terms of power. Also, already tested it, and it's very water resistant, so you don't have to worry about it at all. The front camera is full 4K and has really wide angle. The footage is very solid and very visible in day and night, and really you can see all the details which you want to see. The back camera is 1080p, but is still very clear. So basically you can see everything that you need to see after the usage. Still can zoom in pretty much a lot and still have the details very visible. To use the camera, you need to download the INNOVV application, which you can find on the App Store or the Play Store, depending on your phone. You go inside the camera, you connect it to the Wi-Fi, find your camera. Password normally is 1 till 8, but you can change it. You connect to the Wi-Fi of the camera and you press record. Now the good thing, even though it's connected with the Wi-Fi, even if it loses connection in the middle for any reason, it still will record regardless. So there is no chance that you will not record. It will record all the time until you shut it off manually. After recording, when you want to see the footage, you can view it through your phone, or you can connect in any way the SD card to your computer and view the footage from there. By default, it separates the footage into clips of 1 minute each, which after that you can combine them all in one video or just directly play them all. You get separately the front footage and the back footage. You can purchase this camera through the link in the description and down below and get 10% discount through my link. I've also attached 2 links with more footage of this camera where you can see it in action. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Thank you for watching and have an amazing ride.